Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a gravity form in WordPress. First, you'll need to acquire the Gravity Forms plugin, which is a premium solution. Once you have the plugin file, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins section, then click Add New and Upload Plugin. Select your downloaded file and install it. After installation, remember to activate the plugin to unlock all its powerful form building capabilities. This is the essential first step to getting started. Now that Gravity Forms is active, let's build your first form. Head over to the Forms menu in your WordPress admin area and click on New Form. You'll be prompted to give your form a clear title and an optional description, which helps with organization. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add different field types, such as single-line text, email addresses, or multiple choice options, to collect precisely the information you need from your visitors. With your fields in place, it's time to customize your form's behavior. Access the Settings tab for your form. Here, you can adjust general options like the Submit button text or form layout. Crucially, you'll configure confirmations, deciding what users see after submitting the form, perhaps a thank you message or a redirect to another page. Don't forget to set up notifications, ensuring you receive an email alert every time someone completes your form. Finally, let's make your form visible on your website. The easiest way to embed your form is by editing a WordPress page or post and adding a Gravity Forms block. Simply select your form from the drop-down menu. For more advanced placements, you can use the provided shortcode within a text widget or directly in your theme files. Always preview your page or post after embedding to confirm the form appears and functions exactly as you intended for your site visitors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.